Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, HISWA. So, my dear students, this is Asif from Modern International School, and now in this video lecture, we will talk about how to solve the decimal fractions. That means how to add decimal fractions of the given decimal fractions as 2 or more than, and we will discuss about how to subtract decimal fractions. Now here friends, we are talking about the exercise 27, chapter number 8, decimals, class 5. So friends, have a look. We have taken question number 1, add, and question number 1 having 4 sub questions, A, B and C and D, and we have taken D questions. So please have a look friends. D says add 11.46, 0.2567, 9.23865 and 256. So friends, these are the different types of decimal fractions. Means they are not like decimal fractions or unlike, they are all unlike decimal fractions, but this is the pure the whole numbers, and this is the integral part, or this is the whole number, this is integral part, and the sum fractional part. Integral part here is the 0, and this is the fractional part. Integral part here is the 9, and this is the fractional part, but this is the pure integral part. This is means the whole number. Now see friends, first of all we have to arrange all the decimal fractions in column wise, okay, and remember one thing, and we have to maintain all the decimal points as a straight line, okay, as a straight line. Now have a look friend. First write down this is 11.46, okay. Now this is, have a look, this is 0.25. so all integral, here the integral parts or integral parts is along the integral parts, and all decimal parts, that means all fractional part are along the fractional part. So have a look friends, and decimal should be straight. Here the decimal, it should be a straight line. Here the decimals. Now here is the 0, and this is 2, is the 5, 6 and 7, and we have to write all the, this is the 10th position, 10th position to 10th position. Here is the 100th position to 100th position, okay, and so on. Now have a look friends. Now next is 9. Here is the decimal, write down the decimal, should be a straight, decimal should be a straight decimal. Here is the 9, this is the integral part, is here the 9, okay. This is 2, here 3, just here 8, here 6, here, and the 5 is here, okay. Now for this 256, so 256 could be written, this is 256 only, or this could be written as 0, 0, 0, whatever. 256, this is a pure whole numbers part. So this is decimal is here, this is 6, then 5 and 2, and now we have to add, okay. This could be written as 0 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5, it doesn't matter, the value cannot be changed, okay. Here the decimal, write down the decimal. Now this is 5 as it is. 7 plus 6, 7 plus 6 13, 1 is balance, 3 is here. 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 1 15, 5 is here, 1 is balance once again. Now add 6 plus 5 11, plus 3 14, 14 plus 1 once again 15, 15, 5 is here and 1 is balanced. Now add 4 plus 2 6, plus 2 8, plus 1 9, 9 as it is, here decimal. Now add 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 is 6 is here and 1 is balanced. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7 as it is. This is 2, so 276.95535, okay. Now dear students, see question number 2. Same, we have to follow the same as you have solved the previous question. Now find the sum, and we have taken C questions. Second question number C. Question number second has 4 sub questions A, B, C and D, and we have taken question number C. Now see, 90.250 kg, 186.450 kg, 1001.750 kg plus 98 kg. Now here friends, same, we have to arrange all these decimal fractions, all the numbers as column way. Okay, now first 90 is as it is. Okay, here is the decimal 250. Okay, now first we have to place the decimal, and all decimals should be a straight line. Okay, it should be straight, it should be straight. Now afterwards there is one digit is 4. Now just we have to place from here. Here is the 2, this is the 10th place digit, so this is also 10th, so 10th place digit should be 10th. Okay, this is 4 as it is. Here is the 5, here 5, here 0, here 0. But from left hand side, these are the, yes, integral part. Integral part should be integral part. Okay, this is the ones is here, this is the tens is here, this is the 100 is here. Okay, now next, this, here is the decimal should be here, it should be a straight line. Here the 750, 7 is here, 5 is just here, and 0 is just here. Okay, now before this decimal is 1001, this is the ones place, here is the ones place is ones place should be the ones place. Okay, this is 0, then 0, 0, then 0, then afterward this is thousands place. Okay, now for 98 is pure the whole number, so these are the whole numbers or the integral parts. So this is ones and tens, ones is here and tens is here. Okay, now add. So these are all cases. Here the decimal, this is the decimals. We can place the decimal over here, there is no matter at all. Okay, here 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 one time, 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15, 15 is 5, 1 is balance, 5 is here, 1 is balance. Then 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 14, 4 is here, 1 is balance. Okay, now this is 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 6 is here, 1 is balance. Okay, now this is 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18, 18 plus 9, this is 27. Okay, 27, 7 is here and 2 is balance, 2 plus 1, 3, and 1 is 1. Okay, now friends, each terms are kg, so the answer is also in kg. I hope you will understand. Now students, see question number 3rd. Find A 56.813 minus 28.202. Now friends, in order to subtract two decimal fraction from first minus second, now how to subtract? It's very simple. First of all, change all the decimal fractions into like decimal fractions. Now check. Yes, what do you mean by like decimal fractions? Means we have to check from decimal how many number of digits. Is the number of digits from the decimal are same? If the number of digits from the decimals are same, then we can say these decimal fractions are like. So here have a look, there are 3 number of digits after decimal, and also here there are 3 number of digits after decimal. So these two decimal fractions are like. So we have to we will not change, okay, into this like decimal fraction as it is. Now then write the first decimal fraction and then afterwards seconds, one above the other. Means first write this is 56.813. Okay, where there is decimal, and we have to write all the decimal points along the straight line. So here the decimal is here. Now see, these are the fractional part and these are also the fractional part. So fractional part is along, all fractional part are along the fractional part, okay, and all integral parts are integral part, okay. So here is the first, after decimal, here the first digit. So here is the also first digit. The first digit after decimal, first digit should be a straight line. Here is the two straight line. Then after decimal, this is the second digit, and after decimal, this is the second digit. Second digit is just before the second digit, okay. Now after decimal, this 2 is the third position, means third digits. So after decimal, this is also third means this, it should be 2. Now this is the just before the decimals, 28, means this is the ones place is here 8 and this is 2, okay, very simple. Then write minus sign. Now see friends, and you know how to subtract two whole numbers, okay. We have to subtract the same, and where there is, right, first place the decimals along the decimal. Here the decimal. Now this is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 1 is here, okay. Here is the 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is always 1. 1 is here. 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is, this is 6. 6 is here, okay. This is decimal. Now 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8, friend, this is not just no, because 6 is the smaller than 8. So it's difficult to subtract. Now 6 will take the borrow from 5. Remember, 6 will take the borrow from 5. If we 6 took 1 as a borrow from 5, it becomes 16. Remember, it becomes 16, and this 5 became, yes, 4, okay. Now this 16 minus 8, then 16 minus 8 is, yes, 16 minus 8 is, remember, this is 8, okay. So here is 8. Now the real number is 4, because 5 is raised. Now 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to, this is 2. This is your final answer. I hope you will be clear. Now next one is, now see friends, here question number C says 10 minus 0.0002. So here is the friends, 10 is the only whole number. This is pure whole number. This is not, okay. Now then we have to change all the decimal fractions, and we have to change all the whole numbers into decimal fraction. As friends, suppose 2 could be written as 2.0. This is turned the decimal fraction, okay. Now this is why here is the after decimal, the second number is here, the 4 digits, 1 2 3 4, and this is only the pure whole number. Now we will make this 10 as the decimal fractions with 4 decimal places, as the second term is the 4 decimal places. Why? Because after decimal there are 4 digits. So this is why it is called the numbers with 4 decimal places. That means we have to change this 10 with the 4 decimal places as place the decimal 4 times 0, and this will, yes, this will become, and this change into like decimal, okay, like decimal fractions. Now, and you remember friends, I have already told, while you are subtracting from 1 to second decimal fraction, first check they are they decimal, are they like decimal fraction or not. If they are not like decimal fractions, then we have to change all the fraction and all the decimal fractions into like. So this is why first we have to change this then into like decimal fractions, 4 times 0. After decimal there are 4 times, 5 times 0, 1 times 0. There is no effect on the value of 10. So this is always, this is as it is 10, okay. While because we are going to subtract this number from 10, so this is why we have to arrange such. Now write the decimal is here along the, all decimals should be straight, okay. So here is the 3 times 0 is here, and the 1 0, and here is the 0, here is 2 0. Now see friends, this is only 10, okay. Now this 10 will change as the decimal fractions with 4 decimal places. Means first put the decimal and write the 4 times 0. This will gives us the integer. This is the fractional part. So here is the fractional part is the four digits. So this is why we have already written here is the 4 digits. Here is the minus sign. Now subtract, friend. Here is the decimal, write the decimal. Subtract. This is 0. So 0 minus 2 is impossible. Now if we take the borrow from this is a 0, nil. No, this 9, this 10, this will become 9 because this 10 will give to this 0 as 1. This becomes 9, 10. Now remember, friends, and here is the 0, 0 and 0, and this is 10. Now 0 will take the 1 from the neighborhood, but this is always nil, 0. So this 10 will give to the neighborhood, friends, as 1. So this becomes 9. This is 1 means tens. Then this will give the same as this is 9. This is 10, and this will become 9. Once again, this will 10. This becomes, yes, 9. Have a look, friends. So now if we take, if 0 will take 1 as a borrow from its neighborhood. Here neighborhood is, here is the 10. Okay, now this 10 will give 1 to the neighborhood. This becomes 10. Okay, and this is 9, and this will become 9. So 10 minus 2. So then 10 minus 2, this is 8. Here is the 8, and this number is 9. 9 minus 0, this is 9. 9 minus 0, this is 9. Then 9 minus 0, this is 9. And this, what about this is 9. So write the 9. So 9.9998, this is answer. I hope you will understand. Now dear students, your homework is question number 1 including all sub questions, 2 including all sub question, 3 including all sub question. And we have already discussed the different type of questions, and all questions are similar that you have given as homework. Okay, friends, now have a nice day. If you have any doubt or queries, please ask me, comment in the comment box below.